As the popularity of any consumer electronics device grows, we also see the rising popularity of accessories associated with it. These could be add-ons that enhance the look or the functionality of the device itself, or, like our product today, make the use a lot easier. One of the issues that many tablet users face, which also limits the amount of time they would like to spend enjoying this device's work or entertainment-related features, is that a tablet does not have a stand of its own. You either have some small support gadgets that can be used only on a flat table, or you hold your tablet in your hand while watching a movie or reading a book. To widen these options, you can check out the very versatile Tablift Tablet Stand.
Here we go!
The Tablift Stand is a unique universal stand that lets you use your tablet effortlessly, not only on a steady fixed surface like a table, but also on a bed, sofa, or any other uneven surface. Its flexible and stable design is perfect to set up and fold back within seconds, and lets you use your tablet at the location in your house and in the posture that is the most comfortable for you. It will hold your tablet in the ideal viewing position, even when lying completely flat, without having to rest it or balance it on your body. The patented hands-free design allows you to free your hands, making watching movies and videos, reading ebooks or magazines, video calling, and other activities much easier and enjoyable. So, no complaining of sore wrists because you have been reading a gripping novel the whole night, or pain in the back because you have to sit in an awkward position to be seen during a long video call. This is an even better option than any stand you might have been using in your office or kitchen counter for your tablet, as it gives you the freedom to elevate your screen to your eye level and change the angle conveniently. The design of the Tablift Stand makes it usable with virtually any tablet in the world. Full-size and mini Apple iPads, all models of Samsung Galaxy Tabs, Microsoft Surface Pro 3 and 4, and any other tablet with thickness less than 10mm can be fixed into this gadget's top slot and kept steady while you use it. You can enjoy the touchscreen features of the tablet too, without having to worry about the grip coming off and your tablet falling down. It also has space provided to charge your tablet while using it. Once you are done, just remove the tablet, fold the Tablift's legs, and stow it away. The Tablift Tablet Stand seems to have really impressed its customers, with a very impressive user review score of 4.6 on 5 from over 900 reviews. That ranks it among the best reviewed products we have covered here, with its innovative and eminently functional, simple design, pleasantly surprising many reviewers. That's about all we have on the Tablift Tablet Stand for now. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other reviews for tablet accessories here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.